the ground shake.
So what is up, guys? We are out here on the freeway, and today we're gonna do 0 to 60 acceleration speed for the Ninja 300. Yeah, cause I want to see how well I do with this bike, and how fast can I get to 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, my dashboard is set for kilometers per hour since I live in Europe. So let's give it a go. It's a bit windy today. Well, theoretically, it should reach 100 kilometers per hour in about 6 seconds or so, but that's for an expert, which I'm not. And let's see how I do. Okay, go time. I don't know what time I made, but that was pretty awesome. Yeah, guys, it's so fucking windy. Woo! So yeah, guys, that was the video of 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 kilometers per hour with the Kawasaki Ninja 300. I really hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit the happy thumb below. Yeah. And if you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah. Woo!
Make the ground shake.